Hi guys, and welcome back to this tutorial. So again, in the previous section, what we've managed to do is, through the code, we have managed to deactivate the hidden plane. However, what we'd like now is, whenever we have collected enough cans, to activate the hidden plane, deactivate the plane, and also deactivate the first person controller. To do so, we're going to go back to our code here and go to the section where we test whether we have collided with the plane. So again, in this case here, we can see that if we have less than 3 boxes, we display this message. However, here what we need to do is to say else. So in this case, what we want is to activate the hidden plane. So again, hidden plane dot set active. I'm going to say that it's true. Okay. The second thing is that we want to deactivate the other plane. So again, GameObject.find, and again it's going to be plane. And again, for this object, we're going to do a set active. And again, that's going to be false. And the last thing is we want the game object that is linked to the script, which is the first person controller, to be deactivated. Okay, so that we can control the plane properly. So again, set active would be false. That's it. So again, if you look at those 3 lines, the first line is basically hiding or activating the hidden plane, so which is now visible. The second line is basically looking at the first plane, that is the one that was present and visible at the very start of the scene. And the last line is deactivating the first person controller because you can't control both the first person controller and the plane. Therefore, I'm just deactivating the first person controller so that you can properly control the plane. That's it. So I'm going to save this information, and then because the condition is for me to have 3 boxes, yeah. So again, so again, I'm going to check that I have 3 boxes or more, and I should have them. So switch back to the 3D view is compiling the script, which is fine. I'm going to switch back to my 3D view and make sure that I have enough boxes. Okay, so switch back to the 3D view. That's it. And I'm going to just go back to where are my boxes? I think they're here. Perfect. Okay, so again, I'm gonna just rotate the view here and zoom out. I've got 3 boxes. That should be plenty, just in case. I'm gonna duplicate that, but yeah, perfect. And again, what we'll do is save this, and again, we will play the scene and see how this works. Okay. So as I play the scene, the first thing is that you will see is that my hidden plane will be deactivated, which is the case. I'm going to collect a few boxes. So again, the boxes are a bit far away, so I'm going to move them all to near the player. So again, I think the player is... Where is the player? The player is... there. Okay, so again, I'm gonna take my cubes 1, 2, 3, and 4, and again move them closer. Okay, right there. All right, and I'm gonna zoom in there. They should be close enough to the player. Okay, so I'm actually just move them a small bit more for testing purposes. So again, move them right there. All right, and now if I play my scene. So again, 3 should be more than enough. I'm going to collect 3 boxes. So again, if I click inside my window here, my boxes are here. So again, that's 1, 2, and 3. I can take 4 if I want to, and go near the plane. And now that's it. Okay, so now basically I should be able to take off. Okay, so that's working fairly well. Now, there's something else I wanted to show you, but that's okay. What I wanted to show you was the way the different controllers are actually hidden. So I might actually just play the scene there for you, and I just want to show that to you just beforehand. So again, the scene should play now, and yeah, that's it. So again, what I'm going to do is, so I'm going to collect my boxes. So click inside, collect my boxes. So 3 boxes should be enough. And then what I will do is go to the plane. That's it. And pause the game. All right, just pause the game there. And when I pause the game, I just want to show you a few things. The first thing is you've got your first-person controller, which is deactivated, which is exactly what we want. You have the hidden plane that is activated, which is exactly what we want, and the plane which is deactivated. So again, it's working exactly as planned. Okay, so now again, we can keep playing the scene. All right, so that's it. It seems to be working. One of the last things that we need to implement is just a message whenever we're picking up boxes, but that should be relatively straightforward, and we should be pretty much okay to go.